Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. Okay, so we're going to explore Pattaya in the morning and in the night, both using the drone. Same places, the same shots. I will show it to you how this would look, during the day. Mark these two boards. Keep these boards in mind. Okay, I will tell you the difference as such, the morning view and the night view as such. Okay, so. People say that there's nothing much to do in Pattaya, it's too crowded and all. Yes, it is, but you can do a lot. If you have the time, have the patience, walk around, see things, you will see it differently, at two different times as such. And there are so many restaurants you can explore, even if you just go for a walk. At the time of editing this morning, okay, and this was shot yesterday, okay, and when went for a 2.5 kilometer, one side walk, along the beach road, the walking street I went, and then I went on the beach road and all. It was so amazing to see. Okay, night, the same two boats that I'm talking about. In the night, it looks beautiful. But only thing is, I was having difficulty because I don't know who had put the signal jammer. My the drone wouldn't go or get stuck. All the time it would come back to return to home, return to home. It was stuck here. See here, like this. Okay, totally. The airborne time was morning and evening, 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay, and you're only seeing 8 minutes of footage because most of the time it was getting stuck and stayed there in the same places. Such, I was just explaining it here. Otherwise, it would have been even more great footages. That 1 hour and 20 minutes of airborne time. How much of clips and different angles that I could have shot. Okay, so keep that in mind. And there is a lot to do in Pattaya. What I understand, just not walking around and things like that. Just taking a tour bus, around the city itself will, make a whole lot of difference. In the heart of the city, if we do go, okay, that's different. Okay, and I've not yet gone to Tiger Park, which I want to go. Floating market, I've not gone. Underwater world that I want to explore. Okay, so. I'm going to do that systematically, easily, not in a hurry, where I want to see four or five things at a go and then get burnt out by evening as such. For a first time visitor outside India, the best place that you should start is Vietnam. Okay, I've already put those videos as such. You save a lot of money. You'll have an idea about how to choose rooms, and I know how to spend less money and great value for the money that you are spending. Then comes Cambodia, and then comes Thailand. So mark these things. It would definitely help you as such. Okay, if Thailand is your first priority, keep it to the last as such. Explore those first, because once you feel that yes, you can manage money, the spending on the money. Okay, then Thailand would be a great option as such. But if you come here, then you will hesitate even to go to Vietnam, because you'll feel that is also expensive as such. Okay, it is not, it is absolutely not. Okay, I spent only including bike, hotel, room rent, bike fuel, okay, my food and all that. I was not spending more than 1,250 per day. Imagine you staying with a partner, that would probably come down by half. Okay, because you're sharing the room rent. So that's how less expensive it is. If you plan wisely as such, that is especially in Vietnam. So if you forget about the flight tickets as such, for a 15 days stay, you will not spend more than 25,000 rupees. Okay, I'm telling you, you will not spend more than 25,000 rupees, just and add flight tickets, maybe about 20,000. That's less than 45,000 you can do for 15-day trip in Vietnam, and then go. Whereas in Thailand, 3-4 days itself, you might end up spending that kind of money. Okay, so there is a lot of value that you would get if you keep listening to and keep watching my videos. There's very very informative things that you would get. Okay, so I just wanted to send the drone along the road, just keep sending how it works, how is it. But it was getting jammed, my signals were getting jammed. So every time it would come back again, resend it. Okay, I never give up, and then finally, I said forget it. But you still haven't seen the shots that I told you, that how it looks in the night. I'm going to show you. Just hold on to it. Okay, so there's a lot to do in Pattaya, but you need to have the time. So I didn't want to do just 1 day trip in Pattaya, then go to an island which I've got in my mind. Okay, rush, nah. Okay, take it easy, take it easy. So all this information that you're getting, you can mix and match, and then plan your trip. You could do that. You could do that very wisely as such. I wanted to take the shot around that building on the top left that you see. Okay, but the signal was getting jammed. it's saying that go back. Otherwise, you see the tall tower there, like the Eiffel Tower there. I wanted to send it even there. It wasn't going. Probably I might have to relocate to some hotel down here so that the drone can go up till there. That's an option that I've got in my mind. Okay, so maybe, but look at the beauty. Yeah, look at the beauty. This city never sleeps. Okay, but they sleep in the morning. You have to be understanding. Morning when I went for a walk this morning, till 11ish, nobody's awake. Every shop is closed. Okay, and somehow I managed to get 4 chicken thighs for only 100 rupees. Okay, so it's just that that's what, if you have the patience, walk around. Now is where I was telling you the shot that I will show it to you. This shot that which is going to come up now, where I scan from the left, you see how the beach is going to look. How the beach is going to look. My hotel from the beach is only about 100 meters. My hotel from the walking street is 100 meters. So that is where I've taken. And I came to Thailand without booking anything. I've not booked any room in my 3-4 months of travel journey. I go to the place, I find the room, and I spend not more than 1,250. Maybe three places only. I think in or two in Vietnam and once in Hanoi. Yeah, Hanoi. Okay, and or three, basically three uh, in what do you say, Vietnam. I made mistake, spent more than what I wanted. Otherwise, all look at this. This is the same shot that I showed you in the morning. Look at how it looks. Panning to the left, moving to the left, turning to the right. Slow and steady. Watch the beach, and imagine and wait till I show you when I walk on this and how the video is going to be. You will be able to see it. Okay, and everybody is excited to come to walking street and all this stuff. Walking street, I would tell you, first timer, if you see it, if you see it here in Patong, you may not want to see it. Patong, the same thing. But actually, Patong is much better than Pattaya, the walking street that you talk about. Okay, there the food options are plenty there in the walking street where there are no cars, bikes, going down and all that stuff. But I felt that was better. Okay, in Phuket. So how is this shot? I told you. Look at the reflection of the light on the sea, the ocean. If only my drone could stay up forever. Hmm? I would have. I think I would have. I would have just left it there. Put on a time lapse and then waited, watched. Wow. I could see all this on the screen that I have. On the monitor that I have, a big monitor that while I'm recording, I can see it. So the next video that I'm going to show it to you, I'll take you around the city walking. Okay, and you will have a brief idea about it. So long from Pattaya. Bye.